Okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. الله يكتب يا prayer.
آمين. آمين. أسمع الورب نيا آمين. I want you to remember 2015, the day you said, I truly love you. Remember that day. I am not sure that you said it in English. Because you cannot say it in Uganda. You said it in English. So I want you to value your marriage. I want you to value our daughter. Uganda is a multicultural society, but the Baganda is the dominant tribe and the dominant culture that we have in Uganda. So John, you're very lucky, so lucky to have Cindy in your arms. She's like diamond, she's like platinum. I don't know what I can say, but you know, because you have her in your arms. I am going to ask the DJ Paka Makakarunji Kakam Kakam. Bravo, Makwata. Go get it sound. What about Johnny? Kakubeka Kanyuma. DJ mo concentrate to Kolombo when you make. Singing the song. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. Look at that. You and I will never be apart. My dreams be true. Look at that. Sing it, John. Sing it louder. From this Dubai, in Uganda. Sure. Thank you, that's wonderful. Send the way to John relaxing in Pora. Kaiba Kukwene Pora, relax, Weber. Every fan you can Weber so on the Pora. Ah, Pora. John, listen to her. Listen to her. Wonderful. And when you look at it with Zamaka, and Yayezu, wonderful. Oh, what came to one? One better. It's only one world. Let's share it together. Both on my eyes can see. It's you, my dear. Because they love you. They are from church. Kumi, Mwenda, Munana, Mukaga, Nya, Biri, Emo, Congratulations. Wonderful. 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 Are we ready?
How are you, my darling? Buli kadde nkuchekingako manyembera muli. Oh, 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 my darling. Bwembanga ndinawe sagala dakika yonna obeere ng'onyiize. Ekisooka olabika bulungi n'embeera zo nnungi, and you're so innocent. Balwanye n'omutima gubangi ne basuubiza bingi, naye nga lavu olina yange. Nalonda mama, nasima ekyana bannange, omwana aliko mama olumbe lwafika, aliko akayindo n'obuwobo. Nalonda mama, nasima ekyana bannange. Darling, no lunaku na lunyusa lwewaziramu nti I love you too. Oh, my darling.
Kane bali kubera ngo limu kulaba Delta TV tukole tukwagala nnyo, tuli wano ku reception y'omwami n'omukyala ba wa John Cooper. Okay. Ngamba nnyago omukyala ng'omukyala ono ayogera Sindi Najjemba essaawa zino. Okay. Omukyala w'omwami omubwagwa omwo ate nga wange tewali mulala. Labanange. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
How are you today?
Bulungi.
I know. Oli bulungi nyonyo.
Oli bulungi, yes.
Okay. Lwaki oli bulungi leero?
Now you're losing me. Huh?
Why are you happy today?
Because I get my wife,
yeah,
the lady of my dreams.
Yes. How did you picture the lady of your dreams being before you met her?
I didn't really. I didn't. She kind of swept me off my feet.
Yeah. The first time you met her.
Yeah, it's normally the other way around, but.
That is so good. How long have you been together with your husband?
No, now we're gonna make 8 years. Yes. Kireke kisagala kikunyumiza bula kyenjagala okugamba mukyala bw'obanga tonaba kufumbirwa oba olina okuba omugumiikiriza. Ogumiikiriza kwe kuwangula. All the time, if you patient pays. Yes, and what I want to tell you that I love my husband because he's loved me so much. I don't think I love me more than him, but I love him so much. Love you, my love.
That she loves you so much.
Likewise.
Hey, who loves each other more?
Wangala Nyo.
Who loves each other more?
Cindy. No, not possible. Not possible.
Does she love you more or you love her more?
That's not possible. We love each other both this much.
Can we measure? On 100, what percentage can you give her?
100%.
100%. That's so nice. What percentage do you give her?
Same 100%.
100%.
Or maybe more.
More.
Like a 200%.
Okay. Do you have any kids together?
2 kids.
You have 2 kids.
In our own, me and him. And we have another 2 kids for him.
Okay.
And I have my 3 kids. Yeah. Nga lwaki nedda kwagala aba kwagala
abakazi nga tebadibwa mukazi naye bagafa abakazi tulinga ssente
newekisula mutoyi bazigawano
abakazi soko bazeemu amaanyi
baddemu amaanyi nowojja naye obeera n'abaana bataano obeera n'emyaka 8 naye abakazi balina okuba nga beegumya obuwanguzi buli eri Katonda.
Which song do you want to dedicate to her today? Which song?
I think they already played it. From This Moment.
Okay.
Shania
Can you sing just one line? Just one line. Don't worry. She'll appreciate.
From this moment. That's about it.
That's it. Kali wako yagala omuweereza.
Let me even first think because it's too many. Love, but if what if I sing for you this song for brand what? Yes. You know that song?
What is it called?
Manye ebintu by'ennaku zino abakyala tebakyaboogeza nnyo kati obanga omwami omugambeko akagambo kamba engeri kati gye ndi bebi abalina okunyambako nengamba anyambeko everything I do it's for you.
No, a high five. Give her a high five. Yeah. What have you learned from her ever since you met?
Since I met Cindy, what have I learned from her? Just
that made you say I have to go to Uganda to marry her officially. Apart from her beauty, of course.
Her beauty, a soft heart.
Okay, that's true.
And she's always welcoming people. She's always looking after other people. Sometimes not looking after herself, but she's always looking after other people. Always people always welcome in our house. Yeah, that's.
Nange nkola bikole naye munanga nti nga bwe nagambira ekitiibwa teri kitiibwa kitava eri Katonda nze mba manyi nkola kibikumbe y'abakyala. Banange buli antunulako ngamba ninga kyakulya kitegeeza ninga kyakulya. Banange neebaza nnyo Sharitas Bridal World ne mbasiima nnyo buli kimu kubanga sinabakkulukutako nti oba waliwo egaapu evuddewo ku skin bwe baakubye make-up kwegamba nenanyini byowabyo ndowooza abiteekamu ssente kati kye tuba tugamba tatuseerera bwereere. Naye taseera sijja batiisa embeera mwoli mujjira muntu ateesegana muteeseganya embeera gyo gijjamu ne ssente z'obeera oyagadde zonna tewali ssente gyagoba mu nsawo ye mukazi omukozi kyenjagala obagamba nti abakyala nebaza abategesi bange abatimbi njja kwogera mu Luganda bonna bonna bategeere that I thank for decoration service. It's nice. I really like it. They bring something which I like. They did not disappointing me. Everything I see, I knew that is gonna be over here. The what I ask. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. That cake, even I ordered that cake when I'm over there in Dubai, and I was like, I just see the pictures. Yet I didn't know if it's like that or not. Yet it's a perfect or what. But I could wonder. Very, very thankful to my mom. God bless her.
Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga.